Hi there. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to create your own blog using Blogger, which is Google's free blogging tool. So we're starting at www.blogger.com. That's this page that you're seeing now. Then I'm going to click the orange button that says Create Your Blog. Here I'll be asked to log in with my Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you will have to create one in order to use Blogger. And we have a different video tutorial that will show you how to do that. So once we get logged in, we're then asked to confirm our profile name for our Blogger account. So basically it's asking us, do we want to link to a Google Plus profile that we already have, or do we just want to use a Blogger profile? And this will be the name that's used in our blog posts. So it's up to you what you choose here. To keep things kind of simple, I don't even have a Google Plus profile, so I'm going to go with creating a Blogger profile. So I'll click that button on the right. And then it's asking me what display name I want to use for my blog posts. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and select. I'll type that in there and then click Continue to Blogger. So here I am logged into Blogger with my Google account. You can see that notifications are posted in this yellow box here. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss those. Where in order to create my new blog, I'm going to hit that orange button, Create New Blog. And basically there's three things that I need to tell it. I need to send it, set it up with a title, come up with a unique URL, and select which theme I want to use for my blog. So here's my, let's see, my title will be Katie's First Blog. I'm going to call this. So notice that it's going to ask for this part of the blog address. So no matter what you choose, it's going to be at the end of it, followed by .blogspot.com. So like let's say I had chosen just katiepalacios.blogspot.com. It tells me that this blog address is not available. So these have to be unique URLs that don't already exist under someone else's account, right? So it might take you a while here to play with the name in order to find something that is unique. Looks like I have found something that's unique, and so now I'm moving on to which theme, and you can always change up the theme that you choose later. I'm going to choose something that looks pretty simple here. Let's see here. I'll just go with this first one and then create blog. And then we wait for the blog to be created. It's asking me if I want to link this to a domain name. So if I already had a domain that I wanted to use for hosting my blog, I could do so, but I'm just going to hit no thanks here. And here basically is kind of the behind the scenes of my blog. So if I want to see what my blog looks like currently, I click on this View Blog link, and it opens up edukatiepalacios.blogspot.com saying that, hey, there's nothing here yet. So that's just how to get started creating the blog. Now, once you're ready to do your first blog post, let me close this up, hit that button that says New Post. Wait for it. And then you are given a spot to give your post a title and then the content of your post. So here, this is going to be my first blog entry, and then you type away, this is my first blog entry. Right, so you can see that there's all the typical formatting tools up there, and I'm not going to go through and actually write something out for you here, but you can see you could format it, you could add an image, you could add links, just pretty basic formatting tools here. Okay. I will go ahead and if I was kind of wanting to save this but not yet publish it to my blog, then I would hit save. Okay. If I'm ready for this one to go and be published on my blog for everyone to see, then I would just go ahead and hit publish. Maybe I'll hit save first. And actually, if I were to go back now to, let's close this. There it is. There's that first blog entry. You can see that it's still in draft status. Let's open that back up. Here it is. La la la. I make my changes to it, and now I'm ready to go ahead and publish this. Okay, I can see that it's been published. I'm going to go ahead now and use this link to view my blog. And now I can see that this one has actually already been published. I could take this link and share it with anybody in the world, and they would be able to read my blog entry. Okay, so that should get you started with creating a blog using Blogger and posting your very first blog entry.